If you're struggling to get consistent projects on Outlier AI in 2025, or just want to multiply your income by getting more tasks daily, this video will break down exactly what you need to do. Step by step, I'll share what buyers look, how to optimize your profile, and the hidden methods to stand out, even if you're just getting started on Outlier AI. Watch till the end because I'll share these 3 advanced strategies that top earners on Outlier AI use to keep getting projects passively. Now first, let's talk about what is Outlier AI and how projects work. Outlier AI is a platform that connects AI freelancers and researchers to unknown tasks, data labeling, prompt engineering, and model evaluation gigs. Projects here pay anywhere between $5 to $50 per hour, depending on complexity and urgency. But here's the reality: there's more talent than projects. So to get consistent work, you need to position yourself to match the exact buyer's requirements. Projects are assigned based on your profile expertise and test results, your activity and reliability, your speed and quality ratings, and finally, your specialization in niche tasks like prompt refinement or database QA. Now, secondly, you need to optimize your profile for more project invitations. Your profile is your sales funnel. Here's how to set it up to attract more projects. First, write a direct headline. Example: experienced LLM evaluator, fast, accurate, and reliable. Second, your bio should show results, not just what you do. For example, deliver 300 plus high quality prompt evaluations with a 99% acceptance rate, helping improve model outputs and user satisfaction. Third, add niche keywords. Prompts like engineering, data labeling, instruction tuning, dataset QA helps you appear in internal searches by project owners. Fourth, complete platform assessment. If Outlier AI offers them, like typing speed tests or QA evaluation. Fifth, set your availability and keep it updated. Sixth, upload your work samples. Short Loom videos or screenshots demonstrating your clear annotation style or prompt crafting consistency can help you more. Seventh, keep your profile active by logging in daily, even if you don't work that day, to signal to the algorithm that you're still active. Now third is building your reputation and activity signals. Outlier AI often prioritizes active workers with high reliability. So here's what you should do. First, take small projects first and complete them quickly with high accuracy. Second, communicate clearly if the project requires feedback or clarifications. Third, never miss deadlines. If you can deliver before the due date, do it. Fourth, ask for project ratings. If the platform allows, positive ratings will boost your trust score. Fifth, if you finish tasks well, clients often reassign you automatically for ongoing evaluation tasks or batch labeling work. Sixth, check the platform daily for new opportunities, and if projects drop at a specific time, so for example at 8 a.m., set a reminder to apply immediately. Now in fourth, advanced strategies to get more projects. Now here are 3 advanced methods top Outlier AI freelancers use. First, join Outlier communities. Many projects are quietly announced or discussed in Discord, Slack, or Reddit groups related to Outlier AI and adjacent annotation platforms. Being early means you grab slots before they're even filled. Second, niche down and upskill. For example, specialize in advanced prompt engineering evaluation, instruction following tasks, or fine-tuning evaluation, and mention it explicitly in your profile and when applying. Third, build a micro portfolio. Create a Notion page or simple Google Drive folder showcasing your annotation style, prompt crafting examples, and system prompt evaluations to share with potential clients or in community groups. These will position you as a specialist, not just another general annotator, increasing your chance of getting high-ticket, consistent projects. Now on fifth, the mindset and habits to win on Outlier AI. Before we get to your action plan, let's talk about the mindset and habits you need to win on Outlier AI. First, treat Outlier AI like a client, not a quick gig. Many people log in, grab a task, disappear for a few weeks, and wonder why they're not getting any projects. You have to check in daily, deliver consistently, and keep communication clear. The system recognizes you as a reliable contributor and will help you more. Second, be fast but never sloppy. Speed matters, but accuracy is what gets you, requiring work. Use small personal quality checks before submitting tasks, like rereading prompts or label to catch mistakes others miss. Third, document your work. Keep a simple Google Sheet tracking the tasks you've completed, the time it took, any notes or instructions, and your accuracy or feedback if given. This helps you identify which projects are your fastest and where you can improve, letting you earn more per hour over time. Fourth, build relationships. Even if Outlier AI is a platform, some projects have community managers or direct contacts. A simple polite follow-up like, "Thank you for assigning this project, let me know if there's another batch I can help you with," can help you stay top of the mind. Fifth, upgrade your environment of deep work. Use tools like Pomodoro, timers, or app blockers to do focused sprints when working on Outlier projects. This allows you to handle more tasks per day without burning out. If you apply these habits, you won't just get more projects, you'll build a stable, reliable side income with Outlier AI that you can scale over time. Now on fifth, action plan. Here's your action plan to start getting more projects on Outlier AI. First, optimize your profile with results-based, keywords-rich descriptions. Take and complete small projects with high quality and speed. Join community spaces to catch hidden opportunities. Specialize in a niche and stand out. Stay active on the platform daily. If you implement these today, you'll notice more invitations, better paying tasks, and consistent projects flow in your Outlier AI dashboard. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe for more tutorials on making money with AI freelancing in 2025. Drop a comment if you're working on Outlier AI and let me know your biggest challenge getting projects so I can help you directly in the next video. And remember, consistency is key. See you later in the next video.